What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is Stay Devoted coming back at you with another video. Today we have another Go Mining update. Basically, I'm going to be going over what I kind of made this month. It's not much, but I haven't done any more upgrades yet, so that's why I haven't been eager to post a video, but I will be doing some soon, so stay tuned for that. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always seek a financial advice if you need financial advice or a financial expert. But so basically, if we go to dashboard, you can see I made about $2.10. It's really like a dollar. I think it's a little more than this because I got paid in Go mining. But I got paid about $2.10 for 10 terahash. Let's go to my mining farm real quick. I made the basic payments on all my miners, so they're up to date. So those aren't gonna fade away or anything. I will do the basic payments next month as well. It's altogether like $35 a month, all with all these miners. And then once I don't know if I'll pay these in payments and then add more, or if I'll add more, pay these early and then add more. We'll just see what happens, but I definitely want to upgrade this. As you can see, this miner, basically what happens is when I get my payments, I automatically reinvest it into terahash for this miner. So last you saw it was like 1.02, so it's gone up about 14.14 terahash um, since I last made a video. They also have a new miner. Let's go to my miners marketplace. Check this out. They got a new version of the wattage, so I think that's why a lot of people are selling their old ones and getting new ones because it has better efficiency. So if we go to create miner, the new standard now, and we go to custom, you see 12 watt per terahash. So it makes a little bit more than if I had got 1 terahash, it would cost a little bit more, but it would make a little bit more monthly. It'd make about 89 cents. That's with Go Mining. I have not purchased Go Mining to. I'll explain that in a second. But Bitcoin, you get about 75 cents per watt per terahash, and whereas if I were to get 15 terahash, it's about like 30 cents, something like that. I think it's 30 cents a month. So it's a lot better with wattage. You do have to pay a little bit more, but so it's $23 instead of $14, $15. So you pay a little bit more, but you get more efficiency, so it's not too bad. Um, I'm debating whether I want to buy one of these and then upgrade that instead of upgrading my 15 terahash one. I'll have to talk to ChatGPT about it. ChatGPT is my my friend, my my I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's just my helper. But it helps me break things down like this. Um, but let's get into how do I actually get the money off? Because someone had a question about that, so I'll kind of explain. We'll go to Go Mining. No, 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 no. Miners rewards. Wallet. There we go. Wallet. So basically, your miner pays in Bitcoin, but you can also get paid in Go mining if you want to do that. But if you get paid in Bitcoin, you basically would click with this withdraw button. You click this and you go, if you depending on which way if you want a 24 hours, zero fees, fast, you do this. And then you put the recipient address. So basically you're gonna need to make a Coinbase, and then you go over here to home. Yes, we're at home. And you go to Bitcoin, and then you go to receive, and then you go to Bitcoin default. Receiving crypto over the wrong network could mean losing your. Yeah, you want to make sure the code's right, so you might want to check it. Because some phones have like hacks on them. Not hacks, but like some phones like can be like some. I've had addresses that haven't been right in the past because my phone was lagging behind the copy address, or like something weird was going on. So always make sure you check these at least the first 6 digits and the last 6 digits to make sure they line up. But you just click copy, and then you go in here, and then you click paste, and basically you click next, and then you send your Bitcoin, and then over here on Coinbase you sell your Bitcoin when you get it. You sell it, and then it'll turn into cash, and when it gets turned into cash, you can withdraw it to your bank. So right here, $1.37 predictions. That's my predictions balance, but you would just click withdraw cash, and then you can instantly, like if I have a debit card on here, so I can instantly withdraw. But that's kind of how you get money off of there. Um, Also, I don't know if anybody's doesn't know, but there's a for taxes. I have basically I use Coinly. I believe it is Coinly. I go over here to um rewards. I believe it's rewards. Yeah, and then I enter the date, and then so let's say, and then you can download your CSV, but Coinly won't accept the CSV, so I created this it's called the golden rule or the golden setup. I named it that, but I made it to where ChatGPT will convert this CSV into a CSV that actually accounts for me reinvesting and doing all that stuff. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment below. I can give you the prompt for it. Um, but I don't. You want to make sure it's accurate, so I test I would like what I would do is I would check to see how much Bitcoin you have in your account and how much you make for a couple days, and then if it and then you add the CSV from the couple days, and then you test it to see if it matches the Bitcoin that you have in your account to make sure it's all working well. But if you're interested in that prompt, I can definitely give that to you guys. Um, but nothing crazy so far. I really want to get 15 more mining farm. I want to get 15 more. Let's go to rewards real quick. I want to show you this. I want to get 15 more terahash so that way I can get my next go box, which is really cool. Cause you can get a lot of good stuff in go boxes, but probably won't get anything good with my luck. But you can see when you. If I go to my dashboard real quick. Where's the service button? There's a raffle going on for every $5 of mining power you add. You get one ticket and there's 200 gold boxes up for grab. That's pretty cool. Um, Bonus miner task, raffles and contacts, go boxes, pro program. I'll have a link in the description to this. If you haven't seen my past videos, go check them out. But let me see. I'm trying to find out where the service button is. Oh, it's right here. It's right in front of my face. See, I haven't been servicing my miners that much, and it really does kind of make a difference because I went from making 7 to 8 cents a day to 5 cents a day. We can go to rewards and I'll show you. Uh, so, it doesn't really show you like the price of it, but you can see it also varies. I found out that the price jumps when Bitcoin rises and lowers. Like it jumps a lot. Like I went from making 3 cents a day to making 9 cents a day when it went up $10,000. So it's based on the Bitcoin price. So just keep that in mind. If you believe Bitcoin's gonna come back up, I mean that's if that's what you believe, then this might be for you. If you believe it's tanking all the way down to the bottom, you might want to wait. It's just everybody's situation is different. Me, I'm just going for it. Um, but you can see when my discount was higher back here, I was making a whole lot more. But that's also because Bitcoin was higher. It's really just based on how much the price of Bitcoin. So I just wanted to say that. But so that's pretty much everything. Oh yeah, and also governance. Basically, um, if you go to my lock, you can get votes. So basically, you can lock your Someone commented this down below, but you basically continue with virtual wallet. you can lock a certain amount of Go mining tokens for a certain period of time, and you'll be able to make votes on like decisions that are made with Go mining and like certain things. They'll teach you about it if you get Go mining, but or you can always go to their academy and learn about it. Um, but if you lock that, they pay you in Go mining tokens every week for having that locked away. I'm still not sure if me, I think I just have to have the. I'm still not sure if let's see. I'm still not sure if the investment maintenance. I'm not sure if you have to lock this to have the maintenance, and I think you just have to have that amount of virtual tokens. I don't think you have to lock for your token discount or your maintenance discount. You just add this much Go mining tokens, and then it it gives you the discount for how much, depending on how much you add or have in your balance, and then it slowly dwindles away when it uses it. But for now, until I get more, I'm just gonna use Bitcoin or not have the 20% upgrade. But I think that's gonna be a wrap, guys. There's not much to talk about right now. I do want to start adding more. When I start adding more, I'll let you guys know. But one more thing. I don't know if I talked about it, but you can always buy prices on the marketplace for cheaper. Oh yeah, they have auctions now. I forgot. So basically, how it works is you set a high price, and then if like for example, this is 24 terahash. You set a instead of starting from the bottom and going up, you start from the top and go down. And the first person to buy it gets it at that price. So if you wait, you might get it stolen from you, but you might also get the cheapest price possible. So it really just, it's really dependent upon your risk factor. I think it's a really cool way to sell miners. I think it's unique. Like this one's 13.30 going for 180. There's some big miners out here. Like this is 576.91 terahash, and it goes for about 8K. So I think people are just worried about Bitcoin dropping right now. I don't have too much invested in it, so I'm not too worried. But even if I did have a lot invested, I'd probably just keep my miners. Me personally, this is not financial advice, but I believe that Bitcoin will eventually go up again. Also, something to keep in mind is the halving. In 2 years, there's going to be a Bitcoin halving, and all the mining rewards are going to get halved. So if you didn't know that, keep that in mind. But I mean, normally when that happens, the price of Bitcoin gets doubled or like goes way up. So it kind of can balance itself out. It just depends on the situation. But for now, I'm not worried about it. I just wanted to let you guys know that, just in case you didn't. It can be risky, but if you just put a little change here and there, it's, it could be fruitful for you. I'm not sure. I'm not a financial advisor, but I don't know what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. I'm not an expert in this stuff, but it's just cool to think about, and I believe in it. So that's gonna be a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Always do your own diligence, do your own research. And my link will be in the description if you do want to check it out. You get a free bonus miner that you can just test the wattage with. I recommend doing the challenges with it, um, or like the task that it gives you, so you can earn more from that bonus miner. But you don't have to deposit anything, just to check it out and see what's going on. Um, but yeah, do your own research and peace out.